Let's talk about the best email marketing software for affiliate marketing. I'm going to be talking about this email marketing software. So I suggest you just stick through because these are the tools I use to get great success when it comes to using email marketing for affiliate offers. Now, the first thing is Aweber. Now, when it comes to you doing affiliate marketing, you need to know that you can't just go out there and use any type of email autoresponder. Email autoresponder is something very important when it comes to you doing email marketing because you want to try to automate all your campaigns. You can just stay out there and keep clicking and send all the time or keep collecting emails manually, while you can use an autoresponder to do everything for yourself and automate stuff. With an email autoresponder, you can easily just automate all your emails and keep sending it out at the necessary times that you've scheduled down. So it's more like you're sending it by yourself, but it's an autoresponder that is doing everything for you. But the downside about this is that not all autoresponders support affiliate marketing. It's only autoresponders like Aweber and GetResponse that actually supports using their platform for affiliate marketing. Other email autoresponders like MailChimp, ConvertKit, MailerLite, and several other ones out there, Active Campaigns, don't really support affiliate marketing in their promotion. If your campaign sounds too salesy, they can even try to block your account. But with Aweber, you can include affiliate link in your email campaigns, and aside that, also you can also run several affiliate promotion without you having to worry if your account is gonna be blocked. So that is why I use Aweber. And if you want to try out Aweber, you can click on the Aweber link in the video description or just go to aweber.com and you can easily create a free account with Aweber. Now, the second thing here is mailmate.com. Now, with this tool, you can use it to check your spam score and increase your deliverability chances. And you need to know that when you're doing affiliate marketing, you have a lot of words that are salesy because you just want to make that sale. It is normal, okay? You just want to make your sale, you want to make sales, so you try as much as possible to kind of make them buy and use a lot of words that can be too spammy. And these words can land you in the spam jail or even in the promotional tab. So you want to be able to check your spam score and see if you're using too much of salesy words like bonus, free, get access now, make $1 million easily, do all those kind of words that can signal to the Gmail bot or the algorithm that, oh, this is too much of promotional email. So this is gonna send you to the promotion tab, and that is even if you're lucky, or even in worst case, you can land in the spam folder. So you want to be able to check your spam score, and this tool is going to help you by going to mailmate.com/spam hyphen or dash checker. Okay, so through that you'll be able to paste in your email there and you can check your email score. This way you increase your email deliverability chances, and when you have your email deliverability chances increase, you know that you have a lot of open rates chances and click-through rates, which is also going to give you affiliate commission. But when your email is landing in the spam folder, you know that you are relatively not making any sales, or even in the promotion folder, you still don't want that. You always want to hit the inbox. And the last on the list is 5,000 ready-made and done for you email swipes. Oh yes. Now this is not a tool, it's a file. Okay, this is a file that I want you to get access to today, because when you have access to these files, you're gonna be able to craft emails for affiliate marketing offers, and you're gonna be able to crush every affiliate promotion. Now, how this works is that if you find it very hard to write emails, if you're somebody like me, I find it very hard to craft email copies, because this is something that a lot of us, we affiliate marketers doing email marketing and having issue with, then you need to get your hands on this 5001 email swipes. This is owned by a top internet marketing coach in his 22 years journey. Like, these are the email swipes that he has used in his 22 years in using email to crush several offers. He has used this swipe to sell thousands of products out there and generate millions in profit. Now, why am I recommending this to you, and why am I telling you to get your hands on it? Number one, it saves you time. The time you have to keep crafting emails and keep writing, where you have other things out there you need to do. And if you're somebody like me that don't really like writing email copies, then you know it's very difficult, because I find it very difficult writing email copies all the time for affiliate promotion, especially if you are in a niche whereby you have several products that are being released almost every time. So you having access to these email swipes saves you time, because you don't have to keep crafting emails from the scratch, or you having to keep staring at the cursor and wondering what exactly you're gonna write to your audience. But these are email swipes that are working, that have worked rather, and are working for a lot of people. And all you have to do is just to tweak things there, and you can load it into your responder and it keeps sending out. Now the second thing is that it saves you money. Now think about it, if you're kind of new in email marketing, or even if you're not new but you have a list that is just maybe a couple of thousands, or maybe you're in 5,000 list or 10,000 list, anything below 10,000 email subscriber list, I suggest you use this one, because you're gonna consider to hire email copywriters that are gonna be helping you write your email copies, because you know how much you're gonna get charged per hour. Email copywriters charge at least $10 per hour, $20 per hour. This is kind of too much for you, because you want to be able to save a lot and ton of money. But when you have access to these, you don't have to keep spending money on these email copywriters for them to write emails for you, because you already have something that already work, and you can easily just tweak and load into your autoresponder and just keep making your affiliate commission. And the third one is that you can also use these to make money for yourself. Like, there are several people out there who are looking for email copywriters to help them to write emails for their affiliate promotion. There's a lot of top guys out there, even coaches who kind of are looking for email copywriters. You can also use this to make money and just apply to become the copywriter, and you just tweak things and send it to them and you're good to go. So this is why I'm telling you this today, to get your hands on this 5001. I mean, this 5001 in its 22 years, man. That is much, because that means it's gonna take you almost 23 years for you to finish these email swipes, even if not more. So 5001 is too much, because even in a year, I doubt if you can finish 600 email swipes. So that is what I have for you today. If you want to get on this email swipe and you want to check out how it looks, I also have access to it. Just click the link in the video description. Okay, check the link in the video description and click on it, or you can check the screen right now. You're gonna see a link right there. You can try to copy it and paste it on your screen and get your hand on it today. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop another email marketing tips right there on my channel. Take care of yourself, my friend. I'm gonna see you in some other videos. Enjoy. Peace.